Hi everyone, I'm super excited for this week's choreography. I call this one On the Verge. Let's get started. You're going to start with your legs parallel, so think toes to the mirror or toes to the front, heels to the back of the room. You're going to grab in front of you, that's count 1. Then you're going to lift your right foot up and make it touch your left knee. This is count 2. From there, count 3, we step back with our right foot and step back with your left foot, and then we step forward with our right on 4. So all of that together is 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, we rondejambe the left leg, 5, 6, bring your right arm in front of your face, and touch your left hand to your right, look over, bring it down, open leg, shift to the right, shift to the left. So again, you just did. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. From there, we're going to turn over our right shoulder. So we're turning this way. And you're going to turn in plie and bring your left foot behind you. Drag it on the floor. So from this position, you're going to shift your weight over to your right foot. Bring your arms down and look up. Again, shift your weight to your right foot. Bring your arms down, look up, bend both knees, drag your left foot behind you. I know, a lot of directions. Here we go. That's count 1. So you have 1, 2, and 3, and. So you take a chassé on 2 and then bring your right foot up and down into the floor to jump. 3, and you turn to face front. All of that together goes 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and. And I'm bringing my hands to that same place that I brought them on the 5, and. From there, we're going to act like we're swimming. So you're going to swim with your left arm first, bring your right knee across the body and open it, and then do the same thing on the opposite side. So you're swimming, and the legs go cross and open, cross and open. Together that looks like right leg, left arm, left leg, right arm. From there, we're going right into a little jump. You're going to lean towards your left side, bring your right foot behind you and your arms up parallel right at your ears, and take a little jump. And then we take a chassé and do the same thing on the other side. Little jump, land, and we take a slow roll up to stand. Let's do all of that together with counts from the top. Remember, if at any time you need to pause or rewind, do that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the next thing. After you roll up, arms go up above your head, and then you take a releve. So you go up to your tippy toes on 8. Let's do that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. We're here on 8. We're going to bring everything down on count 1. Lift our right foot on and. Bend both knees on 2. Step back and. Step out 3. Kickstand and. Push 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Drop down in 1 count. 1, kick and, plie 2, step and, 3 and push. From there, we're going to fall out of it. 5 and 6, 3 steps. From 4, 5 and 6, you're going to take a really deep breath, which is probably due right now. Shoulders are going to go up, so you're really going to exaggerate that breath. Lay out to the right side. Right arm is straight, left arm is just down at your side. So we just did 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You're going to turn, make this a soutenu for any ballerinas watching. 1, 2, and I'm bringing my arm up over my head, whip it around. The soutenu goes to a 5th position, and you dig into the floor to turn. You can also think pivot for any jazz girlies watching. So you have here, soutenu. Yeah? Let's do all of that from the top with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. This is slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2. Let's go on. We just did 7 and 8. 1, 2. We're going to take 2 steps. Think Zorro. You're going to sort of cover your face with your left arm and then take your right arm out to the side / behind. 3 and 4. So we're going to take our right foot to our left knee. You can think passe and jump to turn and face back. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So together that goes left, right, jump, right, left, jump. And I'm taking my arms on the diagonal for the jump. Together, that looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So just 2 steps into the jump. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. After 6, left foot is up, so we're going to bring it down because that would be only right. And you're going to take your right leg behind you, tuck it. We're going right cheek, left cheek, right foot, left foot to stand. And you can take as long as you need to stand up because that's the end of the combination. So we just did 1, 2, Zorro, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, the dramatic rise, the dramatic stand up is part of the combo. Let's do it all together with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, Zorro, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it with music.